What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Twins Garage. As you guys can see, we have a beautiful sunny day out here and the CT4-V is looking real nice. But the purpose of this video is going to be what I want to see different on the 2025 refreshed Cadillac CT4-Vs and CT5Vs compared to the 2023 or the 2024 before they refreshed them. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, we'll start with the front end. I absolutely love the front end on this car. Like, I wouldn't change anything. I would say they have to keep the black grille for sure, because that's special to the V models and the sport models. But then also with the headlights, it's almost like I'd like to see some more LED like they do in the new GMC trucks, and then also in the CT5V leaks of the refresh. And you guys can see the headlights have been changed. So that would be nice to see on the CT4-V as well. Plus a little bit more maybe aero in the front. And also a carbon fiber package would be nice on just the V models. Going around to the side of the car, the side profile of this car looks incredible. As you can see there, the body lines are just insane on this car. So again, if you're coming around to the side, I don't want to see anything change, to be honest. Everything is perfect. Again, with the wheels, these are 19-inch, as you guys know, and the black rims look incredible. Coming to the back, I would say the taillights do look nice. It would be, you know, kind of nice to see a little bit of a refresh on the taillights. Again, I don't know what they'll do. The CT5V for 2025 has kept the same taillights, I believe. So it might be the same for the CT4-V, but this spoiler has to stay as an option for the CT4-V, because I feel like without the spoiler, this car looks too, I don't know about normal or regular, but it just looks too normal. It does need that spoiler. The one thing I would love to see on the 2025 refresh would be a louder exhaust system, or almost a new exhaust system, like a performance exhaust system. I know this one does have the valves, and when you do put it in V mode, it opens it up and it sounds quite nice, but I would like it to be a bit louder. And then again, I would like to hear some pops come from the stock factory exhaust like the Blackwing does. I would like some more pops. I do know it's a 4-cylinder, but you can still get some good noises out of it. So back over to the side profile here, I would like to see from factory some more options from Cadillac. Like I was mentioning, the exhaust system, like a performance exhaust system. And what about carbon fiber mirrors straight from factory as an option? I know they have the gloss black, but what about carbon fiber? And it would kind of tie in if they brought in a carbon fiber aero package. You'd also just have your carbon fiber mirrors and maybe even a carbon fiber spoiler. So now we are on the inside of the 2023/2024 CT4-V for the pre-refreshed models. And I love, as you guys know, I love the displays in this car. They have the two separate displays, your driver information cluster, and then you have this one's an 8-inch touchscreen. So I do love this, but there have been leaks for the CT5V refreshed that it's going to be, or I guess it's more than a leak, because the cars are out at some auto shows. They have a full 33-inch display kind of connecting these two screens, and that would look absolutely incredible, and I would love to see that in this car as well. But they haven't released anything for the CT4-V for 2025, which I'm kind of wondering why are we just seeing the CT5V? But I'm sure they will release something. But yeah, I'm hoping that we get that big screen. And then also, these buttons are nice. They're simple, they work well, they're functional. We'll see if they do something else, kind of maybe incorporating this screen to allow you to take some of these controls. We'll see, but I do love how the interior is in my 2023. So another thing for the 2025 refresh for the CT5V that I have heard is that they will be putting an AKG sound system in there instead of the Bose that we have in our cars, the CT5V and CT4-V for 2023. And the Blackwings did come with the AKG, but I have heard mixed reviews on that. So I'm almost wondering, is it worth giving up, you know, your Bose premium sound system for an AKG system, which might be even worse, but you might not have a choice. That might just be the way they're moving. So another thing that I'd like to see, and kind of I've heard it being rumored, is the color, like you can choose your color ambient lighting. So as you guys know, it's kind of like a customizable ambient lighting that all the German cars already have. Cadillac just has the white lights along the door panel, which is still nice. Like, it's ambient lighting, it does the job. It looks good on the interior, but how nice would it be to be able to control, you know, pick what color you have. So when you're driving at night, you can have in your footwell, on your door panel, you could have blue, you can have all those nice colors. So that would be kind of a nice add-on that is coming a bit late to Cadillac, you'd think, because all the other manufacturers already have it out. All right, guys, that will wrap up today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video and agree with kind of the changes that I'd like to see for 2025, drop a like. Also comment down below on what you guys would like to see on the 2025 refresh models for the CT4-V and CT5-V. Like we've said multiple times, these cars are amazing. Like, I love everything about them. The color choices, everything is so well put together. They are so underrated and overlooked, but these cars are incredible. If you guys did enjoy the video, like I said, drop a like. Also comment down below on what you think or what you want to see for changes. And don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video.